Hi, this is Dani Cloutier of DaniCloutier.com, and I'm here today with a tutorial for you about using Windows Movie Maker to edit your videos. I've just opened up Windows Movie Maker. This is how it opens up, and right here is the webcam video button. So I'm going to turn that on, and I'm going to start recording right away, and I'm going to make this little clip, 30 seconds or a minute or so, and I'm going to open it up in Windows Movie Maker once it's saved, and we're going to edit it. I'm going to show you how to add a picture file, a video file, how to edit that, and I'm going to show you how to add music, where to find the music. It is copyright free and it is free to use. And I am going to show you how to put that all together and show you a couple of the visual effects, the special effects that are available in here. So that should be a long enough clip. It's going to ask me to save it. I saved it, and it's going to automatically open it. So here's the clip. You can play it right back. Okay. You can toggle this anywhere you want within your video. And now that the video has been created, the Video Tools tab came up so you can edit it. So if I wanted to place this toggle, say, here right in the middle, I could split this into two clips. Okay? If I don't like one of the clips, if I decide that I want to edit it further, or, you know, I can even go in the middle of it here and put a split here and then put another split. It'll add more clips, and you can get rid of whatever it is. You know, you have a trim tool, you can set your start point and your end point, and you can get rid of whatever it is that you don't want in there. Okay, so I'm going to come back here to the Home tab, and I'm going to show you how to add videos and photos. So you just click on this button here. I'm going to add my usual first one. See, now I don't know why it did that, but it popped right in the middle. But you can toggle these anywhere you want. Okay, you just grab them and move them. So I'm going to also add in here, I want to add my, right at the end of here, there. I want to add my other one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to edit the pictures that you do put in. Oh, and by the way, here's another thing before I go any further. The Video Tools Edit tab will come up. You want to go over here for each picture that you put in. It's going to default to 7 seconds, so you can choose a smaller amount of time. I usually do. You don't want to lose your audience in the intro, so make it short, make it sweet, make it catchy. And then you come back here to the Home tab. Okay, so now we're going to, I'm going to show you how to edit this and add some words. So I'm going to put a caption here, bring it up here, and it's got the usual editing tools up here, most of them anyways. You can bold, italicize, you can change the color of the font, you can change the font itself. And so there's just a whole number of different things that you can do. You can copy and paste into here as well. Now watch this screen here, and when I go over here, you will see what happens to the text as I hover over each one of these. It shows you how it comes in and or out of the picture. Okay, give it a little spin, and see, it slides in from one side. This one, I believe, yeah, I think it slides in from the other side or something. And so now if I want to, I can highlight my text, I can outline it. Okay, and oh, that didn't quite work. I'm not really sure why, but if I choose to outline it, I can choose a different color to do the outlining on, and for some reason it's not working for me. I'm not going to concern myself with it because I'm just giving you the basics here anyways. Okay, so back to the Home button again, and now we're going to add some music. Now if you see this here, I went right to the free music archive. The link is right there, takes you right to it, and you can search these archives for any kind of music that you want to add to your videos. So you just press on the play button, gives you a little sampling. If you decide you like that one, you hit the download button here, and you save it, and then you go back to your movies, you add music, and I've already done this, I already have some on file, and see where my cursor is where I'm going to be adding the music to. So I'll try that Rainbow Street, and see, it's added it all the way along. Now I don't want to do that because obviously I want you to hear me talk in this part of my video. So I'm going to bring this toggle over to the end of the clip here, and I am going to, whoops, and then I clicked on it and moved right back again. I'm going to clip it right here. I'm going to hit my delete button. Okay, I did that wrong, obviously. Let's try that again. See, everybody makes mistakes. You just got to do a little bit of trial and error and you can figure stuff out. So I decided, this isn't working really well for me, eh? I decided that I wanted to clip the music here. Oh my goodness. I want to stop my music here. You know what happened? I wasn't in my Music Tools tab. So you have to go back to your Music Tools tab. It gives you those options, and now I can split it, okay? And now I can press delete, and it gets rid of just the music that I want it to get rid of. Phew, I'm glad that worked. Okay, so now we're still in the Music Tools tab. So we're going to fade in the music quickly. And we're going to fade it out quickly, and we're going to play with the volume. I usually turn it down just a little bit. It's a little bit loud. And I'm going to play that. Watch. And the text slid in, and it was all highlighted. So I guess I didn't mess up, but for some reason, when you are in that video editing, into the text editing, this shows up, but your text, when you pick something, it goes away. So it's very deceiving. It was very frustrating to me at first because I thought I kept messing it up. I thought I was deleting it. And but it is there. You just have to know that it does go away once you've done things to it. So now maybe I want to copy this. I can copy it and I can paste it. And it's going to put another one in there. But it doesn't carry the music with me. I don't know why exactly. That's possibly maybe that's just the way it is. I'm not even going to ponder that. So what I can do now is, if I like, I can add music to this one as well. So I'll choose that one. And now I've got a little music clip at the beginning. I've got a little music clip at the end. Let me see. We'll edit this music. We'll go to the Music Tools option, and we'll do a little fade in, and we'll do a little fade out. And we'll leave the music volume where it is. I'm sure it's fine. And so when you get to the end of this, you go yak, yak, yak. The talking finishes. Okay, and there's that music. It's not very good music because I didn't really like that one, but that's okay. But my clip is, I'm going to go back to my video. Now my clip, because I copied it from here, is already 3 seconds long. So you didn't have to do any editing there. So basically, this is what I created. Okay, we'll go over the talking. And nothing happens here because I've put in 2 clips. It doesn't jump or anything.
I'm going to show you how to add a picture file, video file.
Okay, well, it's, you know, I just told you that and then it did, but actually in the finished video it will not. That will be a completely smooth transition. Sorry about that. Yeah, that'll be a completely smooth transition once it is saved as a video file. So I'm just going to bring it to the end.
So that should be...
And I cut myself off short, but that's okay. Okay, so that is the basics of it. So now I'm just going to show you a couple different other things that you can do. Animations, okay? You just hover over these different transitions and it shows you what it does with your video. Okay? It's kind of cool. And then you can use also visual effects. I love this one. You can change the different visuals. You can do black and white. You can do sepia. You can blur it. That's good if you don't want to show your age, right? Just blur it all out. blur out all the wrinkles. Anyways, this is a fun little tool to play with if you like editing movies. It's got a lot. I'm no movie maker, but I'm pretty happy with all the options that I have here. I have a lot of options that I haven't even looked at yet. You can even, I noticed this too, you can save your video file and you can share it to Facebook, YouTube, Vimeo, right from here. That's another cool feature of this, share it to cloud. So I'm now going to save this movie, right? So what I like to do is I come down here to save movie for my computer. It called it my movie. We'll just leave it as that. That's fine. We'll save it. Now it's going to render the movie. It takes just a couple of seconds. You can see it's already just about halfway complete. And once it's done, it will give you an option to play the movie right away, or you can just close it and, or you can open it back up and edit it again if that's what you're into. It will open it back up for you. There, you can play it, or you can open the folder, or you can just close it. So we're just going to close that. And I hope you've gotten lots of value from this training. So what I want you to do is when you make your next video and you use the Windows Movie Maker to edit it, I want you to send me the link. I want to see what you've done. So you can reach me, you can get a hold of me on danicloutier.com or visit me on Facebook. And that is on Facebook, I am Dani Cloutier with an S on the end of it because that's what Facebook thought my name was apparently. So I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. And like I said, send me your link when you create your next video and have it edited. I want to see what you did. So talk to you next time. Bye for now.